Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. This is your friend, and not just your friend, but your best friend, Zam Africa. You are welcome to our YouTube channel family. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you are an old subscriber, you are welcome. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell so that whenever we get to post any new, brand new, latest video, you get to be notified. So right now, guys, I want us just to fry our bream. So we've already removed the scales. We've got 3 bream here, and we've already removed intestines and some other fish organs that were inside. So I just want to put salt, guys. I am putting salt here. Okay, putting salt. Guys, so we are going to do the ring here. We are going to fry. We are going to fry our bream, guys. Just adding salt to give our bream's taste. So we've got tomatoes, which I've already started cutting, and these have not yet cut, and our onion here, our spoon and our knife. So we are just going to start. We are going to put our bream in the salad. I've already boiled my salad here. Okay. So let's start, guys. Let's start. Okay. Wow. We started with 2. Guys, so we are just going to wait for some few minutes. So that our greens here gets to become brown, and then we are going to turn to the other side, to the other part. Yes, guys. So this is how we do it here in Zambia. This is the other way of frying bream, guys. This is the other way of doing it. Okay, so we are remaining with one here, a big one. So guys, if you are a newcomer on our YouTube channel, please do not forget to hit that button. It is there. Just subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell so that wherever we get to post any brand new latest video, you get to be notified. Yes, guys. So this is what we are going to do this afternoon, morning, evening, night. It depends on where you are watching us from, guys. And don't forget to share this YouTube channel. Let us grow this YouTube channel together, family. This is is not just a YouTube channel, but it is a family thing. Yes, let us make sure that we grow it up together. Yes, and we are going to share or to shoot or to do more videos, different activities. They are going to be shot, they are going to be sent on this same platform. Yes, guys. So let us just wait for some few minutes. Let us just wait for some few minutes, guys, as I start to cut our tomatoes, guys. Okay. Hello, wonderful. We are now starting to cut our tomatoes. Yeah, so I'm starting to cut. Rather, I'm continuing because I've already started cutting. So I am just continuing cutting our tomatoes. I'm using a knife here. It's a sharp one, very sharp, very sharp. Yeah, so as we are waiting for our bream to become brown, yeah, to the other side, we just continued cutting up our tomatoes. Yes, guys. Yeah, I love you so very much, guys. I love you so very much. And this uh, our beans are going to be very, very delicious. It's going to be a very, very delicious menu. Yeah, we are cutting or we are frying for our afternoon lunch. Yes, guys. Okay. Okay. So this is how I'm cutting. I'm cutting our tomatoes. This is how I'm cutting in small pieces. Ooh. Our onion now. We are mixing onion, tomatoes together. Let me just do something. So guys, this is what is going on in the pan. Yeah, I've turned our beans here. Yeah, they are becoming brown. and we are just remaining with this big one. And I've already cut our tomatoes here and our onion here. Yeah, so we've just turned our beans. Yeah, we are waiting for the other part to become brown as well, so that we make our soup here. Yes, guys, let's just keep our fingers crossed. This one is gonna be delicious. Yes, guys. Wow. So, guys, we are done with these two. We are done. They are already done. They are looking beautiful. They are looking appetizing. I'm even saliving here. Wow, gonna enjoy. We're going to enjoy. And we've already put our big one in here. Yeah, we are just waiting for it just to become brown. This other side as well. Yeah, so let's fry this one together, guys. After this one, that's when now we are going to do our soup. We've already cut our onions and our tomatoes, guys. Yeah, so something is happening in the pan there, guys. Let's push together. Love you, guys. This is what is happening, guys, in the pan. This is what is happening. Things are happening there. Things are happening. Very soon we'll be turning it. Yes, guys, very soon. I've just turned it. As you can see, it is looking brown. Yeah, it is looking brown. Wow, very beautiful. This one we are going to enjoy, guys. This one we are going to enjoy. Yes. So we are just going to wait again for some few minutes. Yeah, the moment it gets brown to this side, we are now going to start making our soup. Yes, our tomatoes here, using the same salad. Yes, guys. Guys, we are done with this big one. We are done. It's brown. It's brown. Yeah, both sides are brown. Yes, so we are just going now to make our soup here. Yes, we are going to make our soup here, guys. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to comment if you